Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Microsoft Excel. This integration is incredibly useful because it automatically sends all your form responses directly into an Excel spreadsheet, saving you from manual data entry and keeping everything organized in real time. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to typeform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account quickly. After logging in, you'll land on your Typeform dashboard where all your existing forms are displayed. Here, you can either click on the name of the form you want to connect to Excel, or if you're starting fresh, you can create a new form from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're working with an existing form, so go ahead and click on its name to open it. Once your form is open, look toward the top of the page and you'll see several options. Click on Connect. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to integrate Typeform with various third-party applications and tools. The Connect section is your hub for automating workflows and sending data wherever you need it. In the search bar that appears, type Excel. This will filter through all available integrations and bring up the Microsoft Excel option. Once you see it, click on Connect next to Excel. This initiates the connection process between Typeform and your Microsoft account. Now you'll be prompted to authenticate the connection. Click Authenticate, and a pop-up window will appear asking for permission to access your Microsoft account. Click Accept to grant Typeform the necessary permissions. This step is essential because it allows Typeform to communicate with Excel and transfer your form data securely. After accepting, you'll need to authenticate once more. Click Authenticate again, and this time you'll be asked to log into your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft credentials, including your email and password, to proceed. This ensures that the connection is tied to your specific account and that your data will be sent to the right place. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to create a new workbook where your Typeform responses will be stored. In the workbook name field, type a name for this new file. For example, you could name it Typeform Responses or something that clearly identifies its purpose. After typing the name, confirm by clicking the button shown, which might say Create or Save depending on your version of Excel. Next, you may be prompted to select the location where you want this workbook to be saved. You'll likely see options like OneDrive or SharePoint. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow, whether that's your personal OneDrive for easy access or a shared SharePoint folder if you're working with a team. Once you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking OK or Save. And that's it. Your Typeform is now connected to Microsoft Excel, and all future responses will automatically populate in your new workbook. This setup streamlines your data collection process and keeps everything centralized in one easy-to-access location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.